Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the PDF where it lives. You need the file and an app that converts. Once the PDF is reachable in Drive, iCloud, or local storage, open Microsoft Word Mobile or a conversion app. Make sure you grant storage and account permissions so the app can read and write files. If using cloud, sign into the same account to avoid duplicate copies. Now, locate the PDF in the App's Open or Import menu to begin the conversion process. You tap Open, then choose the PDF Word will offer to convert it to. DocX, accept and wait as it processes. If the PDF is a scan, enable OCR so text becomes editable. This improves accuracy but may take longer. Adjust conversion settings for layout and images. Preserve layout if you need exact formatting, or choose flowing text for easier edits. Monitor the progress indicator. Once done, the document opens in Word as an editable file, ready for clean. You now proof the converted document. Correct fonts, spacing, and any table issues, because conversion isn't perfect. Save your edits as DocX to local storage or export back to Drive or iCloud so other devices can access it. If sections look garbled or missing, retry conversion using OCR, choose a higher quality PDF, or try an alternative converter app. Sometimes converting via PDF to plain text, then pasting into Word works better. One troubleshooting tip: duplicate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.